So I've been driving the RS4 more, and while it's performing great, I do want to do one fluid swap, two fluid swaps actually, and we'll see how things go. So the gear shifter has been going into first perfectly fine, I'd say about 97% of the time up to now. It's only when you're at a intersection for a long time, it will do the notchy first gear, but it never requires third to first. It's, like I said, very smooth almost all the time. But just going into winter and colder weather too for next year, and because I want things to be as smooth as possible, we're going to do a gearbox oil change on this car. I haven't chosen the brand yet. I'm thinking of trying Redline MT90, but I might go with something else. So stay tuned for that. And also for the power steering, there are lines where we can drain it and make things go faster, but most likely I'm just going to draw out from the reservoir and keep recycling in new fluid until it's all clean. Don't want to have any power steering problems. This is preventative. They make the reservoir a dark color, which I never really understood. It's not like it has some kind of crazy corrosive properties, but it's something you should keep an eye on and swap out, because just looking under the hood, it's not a clear container like, say, the coolant bottle. But it's definitely something you want to look into so that you don't have a power steering problem and you keep all the O-rings lubricated, and hopefully everything is good steering rack wise as well. So look forward to some videos coming up soon on the RS4.